How to clean my Tempur-Pedic mattress. In this article I will go over how to clean my Tempur-Pedic mattress. Ergonomics has become a part and parcel of our lives today. Many people, youngsters especially, look for ergonomically designed furniture to improve their overall quality of life. A Tempur-Pedic mattress belongs to this category. It is made of special memory foam, and it is flexible enough to suit your body's temperature, shape and weight. Tempur-Pedic mattresses are known for their highly durable memory foam, the viscoelastic Tempur foam material that they are made from. Cleaning Tempur-Pedic mattresses is a fairly easy task, as you can try some effective methods listed below to get rid of dust or stain marks on them. Sometimes, you may have to clean the mattress fully as part of your regular cleaning routine, whereas during certain times, you may have to clean only a particular spot on the mattress, where you notice stains. Regardless of your situation, you can find some time-tested tricks in the following sections to get back sparkling clean Tempur-Pedic mattresses. Cleaning the Tempur-Pedic mattress fully. What do you need? Baking soda, cornstarch, or a mixture of both. Vacuum cleaner. Clothesline. Process. If you have a cover for your Tempur-Pedic mattress, remove the cover as the first step for cleaning your mattress fully. Wash the mattress in your washing machine as per its usual wash cycle. Machine dry or air dry the mattress cover. Look at the instructions on the package of the mattress cover to know how to dry it the right way. Now, you are only left with the Tempur-Pedic mattress to clean. Sprinkle a generous quantity of baking soda over the entire mattress. Baking soda can not only get rid of any marks or residues, but it can also eradicate the foul smells that emanate from these stains. If you don't have baking soda, you can sprinkle cornstarch all over the surface area of the mattress. For best results, you can make a mixture with equal quantities of baking soda and cornstarch. Sprinkle this mixture over the mattress. Let the mixture sit on the mattress for at least 60 minutes. You can leave it on for a longer duration, if you had not cleaned your mattress any time in the recent past. This will give enough time for the baking soda to absorb the odors and moisture from the mattress completely. Use a handheld vacuum cleaner or a normal vacuum with the right attachments to clean the baking soda/cornstarch mixture from the mattress. Use the vacuum cleaner over all the parts of the mattress at least 2 or 3 times to get rid of all residues completely. Your Tempur-Pedic mattress is sparkling clean and free from odors now. Cleaning certain spots on the Tempur-Pedic mattress. What do you need? Paper towels or fabric towels. Fans or blow dryers. Process. When you notice stains in certain spots on your Tempur-Pedic mattress, the key is to act on them immediately. Use fresh and clean paper towels to blot the stains as soon as you notice the spillage. Keep blotting until the stains stop getting absorbed into the towels. Allow that particular spot to air dry thoroughly. You can arrange for fans or blow dryers for quicker drying. Always ensure that the mattress is completely dry before you put a mattress cover or pad over it. How frequently should I clean my Tempur-Pedic mattress? How often or how much do you use your Tempur-Pedic mattress? The answer to this question will help you decide how frequently you need to clean the same. If you use this mattress only during the night for sleeping, cleaning it once every season is more than enough. However, if you have pets or kids at home, you might need to clean your mattress at least once a month. This is because you may notice spillage and odors more often when you have pets/kids at home. Additional tips and advice. Tempur-Pedic mattresses are made from unique memory foam that is very sensitive to high temperature levels. So, you should never attempt to steam clean or apply heat to the mattress at any cost. If you do so, the main Tempur material may get damaged permanently, and the whole purpose of investing in this mattress will be defeated. Using strong chemicals or stain cleaners on the Tempur-Pedic mattress is a strict no. Also, remember that you shouldn't wash this type of mattress at all. Always follow the above-mentioned methods only while cleaning the entire mattress, or while cleaning certain spots on the mattress. Washing it, or exposing it to extreme moisture may cause irreparable damage to the Tempur material. Always use a cover for your Tempur-Pedic mattress. This will keep the mattress safe from spillage and other issues. When you buy covers for this type of mattress, choose the washable, zip-off cooling covers for ease of use. Clean the Tempur-Pedic mattress covers at least twice a month to keep the mattress safe from sweat, moisture, stains and other problems. If you miss noticing the spills on your Tempur-Pedic mattress as soon as they occurred, don't try any DIY remedies. The Tempur material is very sensitive, and it should never be exposed to water or harsh chemicals. If blotting the stains is not enough to get rid of the marks, please call a professional right away. If you want to use stain cleaners to get rid of stubborn stains in your Tempur-Pedic mattress, you should buy the ones that are exclusively designed for the unique Tempur material. If you have any questions, check the product label of the mattress, and call the helpline number for quick resolutions. If you want to improve the longevity of your Tempur-Pedic mattress, you should never flip, turn or rotate it at any point in time. The viscoelastic properties of the unique foam used in this mattress help it to conform to your body's shape, temperature and weight automatically. Once you step away from the mattress, you will notice that it gets back to its original shape every single time, so you should never alter its original design or features.